Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am barefaced right now. I am so glad you guys are here back watching me. So today's video, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen because I have not been able to. I mean, girl, I have filmed, but I have not been able to. Like, things just happen. Okay, so we're gonna do a soft glam makeup look. My mirror is dirty. See, that's another thing. Hold on. So I'm gonna start out with my skincare. I have been using this and I'm almost out of it. This Birch Juice moisturizing sunscreen, you guys. And this one has SPF 45, and I believe this one is the American version because with the FDA and whatever, have the same ingredients as Korea, or I don't know. There's so much stuff going on, but I love this because it just blends in so good. It doesn't leave me a white cast or anything. And then it gives me like a little glow, and it doesn't smell. It blends in so good. It gives me like a beautiful glow, and there is no white cast, as you guys can see. Moisturize my lips now, and I have been using this so much that I already lost the name and everything, but it's by Pixi. It's their volumizing lip balm, you guys. It is so good. Now, moving on to my brows, I have been using this by Nude Sticks. It's their Brow Boost Set Gel XL, just to set them in place. For my foundation, I use the CC Cream by It Cosmetics in color medium. I freaking love this, and it also has SPF. And of course, I use their Heavenly Luxe brush, and this one is the number 7. I'm grabbing my pencil, one of my favorite pencils of all time, precisely my brow pencil in 4.5, and I'm just going to line just the natural lines of my brow. I have been loving this blush by Nude Sticks in color Cherry. I think this was one of the first blushes I was introduced to by Nude Sticks, and it's just so creamy. You can use it on your lips, so it's a multi-product, which is really good. I'm gonna blend that in. Sounds like a party. Now I'm gonna use another Nude Sticks product, and this one is a bronzer, and it's in Manila, and it looks so pretty. It's so beautiful. So I'm just gonna apply it on my forehead, right here, on my chin, a little bit on my nose. I'm just blending this. I am going to set my face, and I've been using this Maybelline one. Let me know what you guys think, but so far I've been loving it. It's the Maybelline Fix in Banana. I need to get a lighter shade because I ran out of my Laura Mercier, which you guys know it's my freaking favorite. But so far so good. Little sponge like this, and just applying my setting powder all over my face, literally all over my face. Okay, so for this part, I've been grabbing my BH brow, this is a BH Studio Pro for your brows. So it has so much shades for your brows. It has shadow, and it has like the creams all for your brows. But you guys know that you guys can use it for your eyes as in makeup. So I've been grabbing the darkest shade and doing just a tiny little wing. And this brush is so freaking good, and it is by Tweezerman. It is so freaking good. I mean, this one actually, so I can show you guys. I don't even know if they sell this palette, but that palette is so freaking good. It's for the brows. And I just do a little wing, bringing it inwards and then outwards. And then later I'm gonna go in with a concealer brush so I can make it sharp. And then grabbing my concealer brush and cleaning that up. Like I told you guys that I was looking for the perfect eyelash curler, and my coworker had this. I've been eyeing this, and I had it in my cart, but I had to try it. So she had it, I tried it, and I bought it that same day. But it's the one by Shiseido. How the heck do you say this? Shiseido. So I'm guessing it's a Korean brand. This is how the box looks, and I will put it in my link so you guys can buy it. But it's my lashes are so tiny. I've been growing them out. Well, been trying to grow them out using the Terrace Honor lash serum. I don't know. Do I see a difference? No. Have I been consistent? Kinda. So you guys are gonna see. Let me get you guys closer so you guys can see. Be really careful because you can. You're able to pinch yourself. So be really careful. Can you guys see that? You guys, I'm sure you can see that space right there, that big old gap that I don't have no lashes, but I'm sorry, this is so freaking good. It is a little on the pricey side, I feel like. it's $28, but it's so worth it. For mascara, I've been using this Nude Sticks mascara, and this one is a vegan mascara. It's a vegan splash proof mascara. I can't wait for my lashes to be nice and full, and when that happens, it's over for you guys. I'm just kidding. Okay, you guys, so right here I'm gonna apply a little bit of bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and I just like to use a big fluffy brush like this and apply it right here to give it some color, and also so nothing creases. But can you guys see my lashes? I swear that lash curler makes me so happy. It makes me look like I have long lashes when I really don't. Or maybe I do. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little bit also on my face. And then put it on my nose. Sorry. If you guys go to my community post, you guys will see how my lip liners are and which one is obviously my favorite. But one of my co-workers bought me this big one because mine are all little. So she bought me one, and I am going to be using the Milani Color Statement lip liner in 09, which is called Spice. So I love this. Make sure you guys go check my community post because I've been trying to stay active on there. They are so creamy and so pigmented. After that, I'm going to just color in, stay in the lines, you guys, color in the lines. How pretty is that? It is so pretty, and I always overline the top. Look at that, when I overline them, so beautiful. I add this Red Blonde. These are their Color Stay Matte Light Crayons. It doesn't have the name of the shade, but you can tell at the bottom. This one doesn't have it, but I've been using this one, and they're so creamy. They smell so good. It smells like Play-Doh. I don't know, if you're weird like me, I love the way Play-Doh smells. I asked my little nieces, they're like, ew, that stinks. I love how Play-Doh smells. But anyways, they're so freaking creamy and so beautiful. I'm going to use a little bit of more of that setting powder and bake a little bit. Okay, I am going to use the All Nighter setting spray by Urban Decay, one of my favorites, and I'm not going to remove that powder. I'm just going to let it sit there. And I don't know if you guys have seen those videos where you just apply your powder and you just spray your face. Well, let's hope it works. I love to just blend everything with my foundation brush. Here you guys have my completed soft glam makeup look. It is really pretty, really timeless, super easy. I'm sure you guys can recreate this because we didn't do no crazy eyeshadow or anything, but so hope you guys like it. I will leave the information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.